In this video, we will discuss about difference between laptop and tablet. Laptop is a portable computer device where all the units are inbuilt in a single package. Tablet is a touchscreen display computer device which generally operates on mobile operating system. Laptop storage capacity is high. Tablet storage capacity is low. Laptop size is bigger than tablet. Tablet size is smaller than laptop. Laptop has less battery life than tablet. Tablet has long battery life than laptop. Laptop has a physical keyboard inbuilt into it. Tablet does not have the physical keyboard, it has on-screen keyboard. Laptop normally accepts input using physical keyboard. Tablet normally accepts input using virtual keyboard with touch screen. Laptop is more expensive. Tablet is less expensive. The user can connect more external devices with laptop. The user can connect a few external devices with tablet. Laptop does not have slot for SIM card. Some tablets may have slot for SIM card. Impact printers are usually more affordable. Non-impact printers are usually quite expensive. Laptop uses traditional operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, etc. Tablet uses mobile operating systems such as Android, iOS, etc. Laptop may contain inbuilt players for DVDs and CDs, tablet does not have such functionality. Laptop's hardware can be upgraded. Tablet's hardware cannot be upgraded. Laptop has more features in comparison to tablet. Tablet has less features than laptop. Laptop is more powerful than tablet. Tablet is less powerful than laptop.